Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create a Coinbase wallet account. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get right into it. So to create a Coinbase wallet account, you'll actually have to have your own application of a Coinbase wallet, or you can go to their website wherein to redirect you to download it in the App Store or the iOS store. So there you go guys, just press download Coinbase wallet, and after that you just click or tap to get started. After that, provide the following information as requested. It will ask for your first and last name and such and things like that. Then you have to read the user agreement and privacy policy and check the box and click create account or tap sign up if you're using a mobile. If you agree, then after that Coinbase will send you a verification email, register your own email address. After that, once you have confirmed it in your email, then you're ready to go. You have officially created a Coinbase account, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video.